Carry myself.
Hello, Mr. Barrister.
I'm sorry, my people. This is exactly why we are called into bar. Most times when you drink excess of your pathological system of profession, anyone that does not relax with your systematic blood group, then you cough it out, because some filters have to be filtered out. You understand it?
Of course.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Well, my name is Barrister Alex Ekweme of Alex and Associates Chambers, and with me is my colleague.
My name is Barrister Charity.
We're from the same chambers, and we were told, reliably informed actually, that a senior lawyer stays in somewhere around there, so we presume you are the one.
Splendid. Splendid.
Splendid?
Yeah.
Oh,
you pronounce it the way you were taught. But I know you have not witnessed the Michael West Dictionary, what they call the Law Michael West Dictionary Book of Law. By the time you venture into it, your English will be total different.
You mean total?
It is exactly. Total is for children like you. Total is for us who is a sand in the barristeristic kingdom of
You are a son?
Yes, I am a sand.
A senior advocate of Nigeria?
Exactly, not even Nigeria. A senior advocate of the whole federation. We are called sand because I Shinaja. We came through the soil, and through the soil we shall all go back. That is the reason we are called sand. Yes.
Okay, well,
You know.
Thank you so much for this opportunity to meet with you. We were actually told to meet with you and discuss certain things with you.
Actually, I was made through the inconjunction because I can never stoop too low. Stoop. When I mean stoop, I mean stoop. I can never stoop too low because I have a barristeristic, a third mother degree barrister.
Third what?
Third mother degree. I am a barrister with a hyphen, a barrister with a curriculum, a barrister that my autograph has set so many nations apart.
Wonderful.
Two adapu as one. It cannot be one. You give me plenty dapo. Because if you just give me one, that means you are belittling me.
This is...
Go to Uganda. If Uganda is 85 in number, 73 is in the cell because of my autograph. Only autographic barrister. Piam. Piam. So many families are perishing inside the cell because of only my autograph.
Because of you.
When I talk, our nation will finish. That is why sometimes I don't like talking. I don't talk too much. Since you came here, I've been just managing to.
You barely said anything.
I pick my words because I am a barrier.
You're a man with few words.
You know me very well. You know me very well. Anyway, you look gorgeous, my dear.
Thank you very
look
much.
gorgeous.
Now that we have met with you, I think we're most satisfied with our findings because we are trying to get along with lawyers in this village. So we'll be on our way. Yes.
You cannot be on your way.
This is your place, I presume.
I live here.
Okay.
And I was already on my way because I have some cases I need to handle. You know Okibe Motors?
Yes.
Okibe Motors, the one in the United States of America.
Yes, I have.
Okibe Motors that deal on cars.
I've heard of
Okibe Motors is my client. I handle all his family dispute.
You.
Also me. If you say me, you're underrating me. You say a whole of you sand.
You.
It's good.
Sand.
I handle all his cases.
Wonderful.
Every of his cars that enters Nigeria, single-handedly. I don't need to go to the wharf. I stay here. I autograph the car. Everything a lawyer from the wharf. So Okibe Motors are just the best. If you know, or if I tell you the children I have raised through my chamber, over there in my curriculum office, you will be amazed. You know MKOK.
You mean Kanayo or Kanayo?
That is him. What can be say? I raised him empty-handedly. I auditioned him into bar.
Auditioned him.
You can say that again. I don't mix words. You know Kenneth Okonkwo. Andy.
Yes.
Kenneth Okonkwo of all people. Before he became a barrister lawyer, I was the one who gave him the script. I gave him script. By the time he was done reading, I said that he is qualified, but not qualification. I said, okay, fine, since you are qualified, you can be qualification along the processes. You don't know me. You know this lady, what's that Yoruba girl? This Funke Akindele of Jennifer's Diary.
What about Funke?
Funke Akindele finished in my own logically school. Although she was not called into a bar. She finished it, and then the call that came to her ear is she was called into entertainment. But she's a lawyer by nature, by blood, and by school, because academically, I taught her. I groomed her.
We are forced to presume you maybe worked in the Council of Legal Education sometime.
Look at you. Who is the owner, who is the CWO of the Council Educational Barrister Chamber that is in Panya? I am the CWO of that school. I own it empty-handedly. I built the structure. The four wall of that law school, I own it. Nobody gave me a pardon. It was the money I made from robbery when I was a robber. Oh yes! Oh yes! I have a defendant of my robbery ship. When I rob, don't worry, you will not know more about me. You guys are just children of yesterday. I'm white. You white, but the time you are grown into moving around with your barrister cap, that was when you know that yes, you have become the main barrister.
So
but never
you go to all places dressed like this?
Even on bed, I sleep with it. That is why I'm a sand. So the show I'm gonna come inside, let me buy you into my bar.
Thank you for your time. I mean, we are so privileged to meet you.
Okay.
Because we understand you.
You are privileged. I'm not from my village. Don't misquote me. I am going back anytime soon.
Yeah.
So don't,
I mean, we are happy to meet you.
Oh, that English. I know that English is an outdated English. We upgrade it these days.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
It's a
To
pleasure
that
meeting you.
We'll be on our way.
No, you can't just go like that.
No,
You people are newly called into bar. So why not come in? Let me barristerize you. Just come here, because this head you need something. Because when you have must have taken some things, then give us a lawyer on a court, and give way morally defend your case. But when you just come loyally, but eating young kunishi, case all labran take or even the Lord, our lordship, will not give you audience to lordship him. Oh no, woman has a balance school in here. Inside.
So your chambers are inside.
Also chamber. When you come nature, you wait a moment when because come inside my bar.
No. I think we should go. Get going.
You can't get going, my dear. I know you are scared. I don't do small girls.
It's fine.
Okay, good. We want young. Hey, this is your BS. By the time you grow to the level of my BS, then you will know that yes, how many cases have you won? I can say nothing.
Yes,
by now until you start handling cases of that's whom we are.
Wonderful.
Zoom in for your back.
After you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right behind you, my darling. Okay, come in. Come in. Oh my God.
What is it?
What's going on now?
I don't understand. I hate to sound my boyfriend.
So you don't need for you to tamper my bill, right?
How do you see him? What do you think?
Well, as you can see, he's obviously fake.
There's no doubt about that.
I mean, how could he have the guts to dupe innocent people of their hard-earned money? We both know what we suffered in the law school. Like, how many years it took us to become professional lawyers.
Can imagine. 5 years in the university, 1 year in the law school, and this idiot is just ripping people off their hard-earned money.
Just like that.
In this village, in my village.
What are you doing?
I'm putting a call across to my brother. This idiot must be arrested today.
Just calm down. Let's not do this. One down. They are others. So we need to know them. We need to find them. We are close to what we want. So let's just be a little more patient. Exercise patience, my dear. We will get to the bottom of this.
It's just that it's so annoying. I so much want to get this imposter behind bars today.
Calm down. We need to get all the info we need about all the fake barristers in this our village. So if we keep going about it this fast, they would know what we are up to and we will get anything that we want to do. So we need to be patient about this thing.
I'm really running out of patience.
You have to be calm about it.
My lord, my client Chisom Mojeku did not commit the said crime on that fateful day. For my very, very good and well situated understanding, my client was indoors observing fasting and prayer, which was labeled to her by her pastor. So, I stand here to say that my client is not guilty of the so-called accused that was accused on her.
What is it? Dependent counsel. Any problem?
Hey, my lord, I'm having stomach bro. Let me just. I think I need to go to the toilet. Let me use the toilet. Excuse me. Hey. Lolo.
You back?
I hope you're okay now.
Yes, my lord. I am a bit better.
Hey! God! Damn, baby! Matras! You were Laro. Nunca se acorda one. It is called contempt in court in the United States of America. Take it easy, baby.
Excuse me, my lord. Something is wrong with my stomach. No.
Damn, baby. That is what we called contempt in court. It would do in United States of America. Matias, it is Yaro. No, for real, baby.
Hey! My lord, can we proceed to the toilet?
No, sorry.
To the toilet.
Sorry.
Let's proceed with the case.
My lord, don't you think what the defendant counsel is doing is what is called unnecessary distraction? Exactly.
Bia. Mweka. I'm ready to buck it to buy no she walk and she. Makachineke, if I use this verse where they verse me for Anus now. To the bucket to what Nitashi. Njia saga 2 years is such a polybedian. So I cannot go to toilet again. Or if toilet they worry me, make I swallow am. Come some pompo de kagokwane. Mind yourself, oh. Mind your, this is where they do me. If I use the verse to face you, no go like me. No will face judiciary care. Sorry, my lord. My lord, I'm sorry. My lord. My lord? Yes? Are you resting in glory? Or have you passed away? My lord, help me touch him.
My Lord and my God.
Our Lord. My Lord.
My Lord and my God.
Our
Yes.
Lord.
We bought the food.
Which food, sir?
Eccentric for food now.
No, here in our court, no be there in the table, sir. Yes, sir.
That's correct. He's back.
Yes, my lord, I am back.
Barrister, can we now proceed?
Of course, my lord.
Well, go ahead.
Like I said, this is called content in court in the United States of America. Baby. Second content in court in United States of America. Baby.
Yeah.
Materials. Ikukuzilo buka to redo bazazi anisi.
I think the best bet here is to adjourn this case to a further notice to enable Barrister Matthias go to hospital and treat himself. Therefore, I hereby adjourn this case to 25th of December next year.
God! Dismiss before another bomb.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
How many times did they go to toilet before we go where we want to go?
How is it your business?
I said, how many times you want to go to toilet?
How is it your business? How many times? If I go to toilet 20 times, is it your business?
I said, me now.
Okay, Meshono. Ha. They had to don't become a gaga whooping him. Wanna stop!
Now who are they see? Hey! See my manchi!
Damn panty!
Colino!
Damn panty!
Longest time.
No, I believe.
When are you coming this one?
Black Diamond.
You don't know your back JC again now.
But I don't date back. I gotta tell you, I love Messi. No matter I date back. What do you do with Arsenal? Guy,
na passion. Me na,
see,
you know now. Me na die hard gonna fan now.
Guy,
don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Watch football.
Yes.
Catch your phone.
Abi.
Join club when they go give you IB.
Ah.
You know that my guy.
I know now.
Remy.
Okay.
Remy. Where be Arsenal fan?
That way slim now.
You don't die now.
Heart attack for Arsenal.
Which match?
Arsenal give him heart attack.
Yeah, I said I don't finally do this guy something.
He don't die, if he die.
But you know say me now, I get that one now.
If he find club, come PSG.
I know go
Messi dey.
No, me
I no go because I be Madrid.
See, now in the days of Kano now, in the day now. Apa? I know they say, don't they waka for afternoon? It's something no happen. You don't just waka past the area. What did they happen now?
No, now, my girl they live very close to inside now.
Colino, wait. Hope you know be where they come from now. Now you dey
no,
because you know say from time that year I know you well.
Stop waiting at the chop.
I
Pay me now. Huh? Pay me. I said pay me now. Which one is there? Pay me now.
No, tell us calm down. No, now. For this village.
No, calm down. Come on, baby.
For this village.
Just calm down, baby.
Who are you telling to calm down?
No, for real.
You don't know the gravity of the offense you committed.
For this village.
No, for real. For real, baby. No, hold on, man. Let's know how we're gonna settle this, baby.
See. Don't say anything more than what you're saying already. I don't need to explain to you that it's a taboo in this community for any man, anyone, any woman, anybody to smoke anything hard drugs in this village. So without saying anything more, guy, we are taking you to the Igwe's place.
Exactly. No. Are you for real? See, please, let me tell you something. See, back in the days in United States of America with Wiz Khalifa, I have been smoking, baby. No, for real, man. And I'm just going to court just to sit a case. I decided to go inside here and boost to my brain. It's a source of inspiration, baby.
So you mean without smoking, you cannot go to court?
Exactly.
And say that no, you see all around the world, on where on your lawyer, Gianoma a bit benacot. Oh, you what I see. If I work out in the letter, I know Georgia, I put it to you, baby. See, all these lies inside the court, do you think that we are doing it with a clear eye? God damn, oh, it's unapologizing, not your boba, in a court. Client, man, oh, is it I'm a gangster lawyer, baby. I can't deal without this. Unapologizing now, no shaking, fearless, man. Naba. Also, you people should calm down for me, man.
Wait. Calm down. Collins. You should slow down, baby. Yeah, for real, baby. Let's know what we'll do, man. Let's solve this here.
Okay. You know, see, we be lawyers, eh? People can lie.
It's a natural something, man.
Hold on. We are ready to forgive you.
I appreciate, baby.
You have to calm down first. Relax. You don't even know what I want to say.
Yeah.
We will forgive you.
Yeah, come on.
Only on one condition.
Yeah. Damn, baby. What is the condition?
You don't even know the condition. You're always shouting, God damn.
Hey, hold on. And that condition is, you know, I have issue with you last week.
Exactly. Yeah, for real, man. I know.
Yeah. Now, I want you to forget whatever case you have with my girlfriend. Whatever issue it is, whatever the matter is, drop it and forget you've ever seen my girlfriend.
Period. Yeah.
And I will make sure the Igwe or anyone will not hear about or see me. In fact, I will delete this scene from my memory.
Obodo. And as for your girlfriend, see, I swear with my life, baby. You can never see me anywhere close to your wife or your girlfriend. You can. In fact, tomorrow I'm leaving to United States of America, baby.
And you must promise us that you keep to your words.
See, lie. I will stick to my. I stick to my words.
I strongly stick to my word, baby.
No problem. It's a deal. Yeah. Agreed. But one thing.
Yeah, come on.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Smoking is not good. Yes. Smoking hard drugs is not good. Smoking hard drugs is not good. That is why we have kicked against smoking in this village. So I will advise you, don't smoke it again or take it out of this village to smoke.
No, but
smoke. No, hey, no long thing.
And
no long thing.
Secondly, if somebody
long
else
thing.
catches you,
No
don't tell
long
them that
thing.
we've already seen you.
No long thing.
See, Obodo.
Stop smoking.
Follow here. I'm up on Onigo from day one. Even before I became a lawyer, I've been smoking with Wiz Khalifa, baby, back in the days in United States of America. Igomano ga orombo walijaisi mabwe court. George Nekunaba, client man. I put it to you, baby, that my client is not guilty of this case. So open it go. I just see your boss here. You know, I've never lose a case before. Mentally go a million nakot.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.